Need service? Don't be like this guy driving down the road. Smooth out your shaky ride and revitalize your RV with expert service from Stellhorn RV. Did you know your wheel bearings should be checked every year? Ask us about a free inspection today. Don't let these pictures be you. We offer free tire inspections. Have you had your slide outs lubed? Manufacturers recommend they should be lubed every 6 months. We offer slide out lubing for only $87.50. The most important maintenance you can do for your RV is for your roof. It just so happens we offer free roof inspections. We also offer exterior detailing services. Ask for your free quote today.
Discover